Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. In my previous Alice in Wonderland video I showed you this card holder with lanyard, and I told you there was a matching purse. Well, actually this is matching to the purse probably, but they match. So let me show you the purse today. And here it is. Look how gorgeous. It's the same picture, only bigger because it's a purse and this is just a card holder. It is cute Alice in the flower garden with the bread and butter flies and the rocking horse flies, and it's just so gorgeous. And it's got gold over here. It looks like it's the cover of a book, don't you think? Well, that's because it is. Look, it's a book. It says Alice in Wonderland. And then over here you have cute Cheshire and the Loungefly logo. And over here you have the bread and butter fly and the rocking horse fly. It's just, and the drink me bottle. And what's this? And a teapot. It is a book, as you can see. It really is a book. But it's also a purse. Look at it. So you can, over here you can put two straps and then you have a really nice purse. But this is a book, so you need to be able to open the book. Ta-da! This is so awesome. All of a sudden I began to fall down, 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 down. Awesome, right? And then here you have a whole lot of teacups with the dormouse on top. And here, off with her heads, the Queen of Hearts yelled. They're painting the roses red. And it just looks like a book. These are the pages of a book. Awesome, right? So you can open these. I'm not sure how practical this is when you use it, because when you have it as a purse like this, you need to put it down, I think, to open it. So, but there is a lot of room in here, but it's also hard to get to. Look at the inside, by the way. Look at this fabric. It's gorgeous. And then you have the straps. You can use it, like I said, as a purse, but you can also use it as a backpack, and then you have it like this on your back. So like this. You see this. And that's amazing. But to be honest, I'm not going to use it. I don't think it's going to be very practical, like I said, as a purse. And because I'm in a wheelchair, a backpack is not really very comfortable. So I just bought this to look at, to have this in my collection. I have it on, standing on the floor, and I look at it, and every now and then I pick it up and I open it and I think, oh, this is so cute. It's just so cute. I do use most of my Loungefly bags, but this one I just bought because it was just fun. And maybe one day I go to a party or whatever and I think I'm just going to use it one time. Perhaps, I don't know. But for now it's just in my Alice room for me to enjoy, to look at. Awesome, right? Who came up with this idea? I mean, yeah. Do you have one of these, because there are more of these, one of these purse/backpacks? Is it very practical? Let me know, because I don't think it's practical, but it is beautiful. Awesome, right? And I have the matching card holder to go with it. So then I have two Cheshire Cats to share with you. I've got a Funko Pop Cheshire Cat and an AB style Cheshire Cat, or Abbey style. I still don't know how to pronounce this. Last time I showed you the White Rabbit, and now I have Cheshire. So, but first, let me show you the Funko Pop. It is a pop with purpose, it says, and I didn't know what that meant. But on the back it says that they gave $150,000 to the Make-A-Wish organization, which is amazing. So that's nice. And it's also a Funko Pop that I really thought was so cute. Every time I take it out, you have such a huge packaging, and then it's such a small thing. I just thought this was so cute when I saw it. It's blue, like actually in the Tim Burton Cheshire Cat version. And it's vanishing, so you can see it's metallic, and over here you can really see it, and then here it just starts to vanish. Oh, awesome, right? So I have a few of these in different colors, different materials, and I saw this one and I thought I really need this in my collection. So I found it somewhere for a reasonable price, and look at that grin. Isn't it awesome? So at the moment I have two Funko shelves, but I think I need a third one because I have so many Funko Pops now and I love it. So I need to make room for a third shelf, and I'm gonna do that pretty soon, and this is gonna be on that shelf. This is gonna be with all the other Cheshire Cats, and it's gonna look so amazing. But like I said, I have another Cheshire Cat, this one. It is by AB Styles, AB Styles, I don't know. It's by AB Style Studio. And I showed you the White Rabbit in my previous video, and now I have the Cheshire Cat. So again, I'm gonna take it out of the box, which is awesome, by the way. Again, with things like these, do you keep the box? Do you throw them out? I think I threw the White Rabbit out. I decided not to keep it because the boxes take up more room than the item itself. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Look at it. I'm gonna put Cheshire over here. Okay, look at this. Look at this grin. Oh my gosh, I love it. It says we're all mad here. And again, like this one you can take off very easily. Like with a White Rabbit, you have this bit of cardboard that you can put over here. And at first I didn't like it. I thought, why a cheap bit of cardboard? But you know, it's better than a lot of plastic. So I actually don't mind. It looks really nice. So why not? So I'm gonna take it off to show you Cheshire a bit better, because look, he's lifting up his ears saying, hello, how are you doing? It's so gorgeous. And again, with the grass going over the stand, just like with the White Rabbit. And he's sitting on a tree trunk. Look at it. I just think it's so funny. So now I have to decide, am I going to put them together, because they will look really nice together, a White Rabbit and Cheshire with this, both with a quote and with a wonderful background that I'm just gonna put back. Or am I going to put this on my Cheshire shelf? Those are decisions, guys. Nah, I'll find out. I just love to sit in my collection room and look at all my stuff and have something new, and then just sit at I have a little bench I can sit on and just enjoy my collection, and then think, where shall I put this? Where will it look nice? And then I'll just, you know, rearrange some items and give it a nice spot, and I love doing that. So I'm gonna do that with this one this afternoon. I'm gonna find a lovely spot for it. It's so gorgeous. I really, really, really like it. Look at them together. They're awesome as well. Okay, when I didn't have that many Funko Pops yet, they were, you know, everywhere in my room, but now I have them on one shelf. But look at this. This is nice together as well. So those are decisions, but now this is gonna go on my Funko shelf, and this is, I'm gonna find a nice spot for it. So do I have time for one more item? Yes, I do. I do. Actually, a few more items. I have bought these, my gosh, a few months ago. And I put them somewhere and I completely forgot about them. So now I'm gonna open them, if I can. Let me see. Oh boy. So these are gotcha eggs, I think, or I don't know. They are by Takara Tomy. And, or Tomy, I don't know. These are eggs you get in one of those gotcha machines. So these are from Japan, and you can get these by putting lots of coins in one of those machines, and then you get different eggs. And this is a store where you can buy a series, so you don't have to spend a lot of money getting duplicates, but you can just buy the whole series. So this is the whole series. And I've got the White Rabbit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the White Rabbit. So cute. It's a White Rabbit in a teacup. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh, this is gonna look so nice in my collection room. So I've got a White Rabbit, and this is probably, yeah, Cheshire, because Cheshire is mostly purple. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You know I love the spinning teacups. Now these aren't the spinning teacups, but these are cute little teacups. Look at it, how cute. Look at that grin. Oh my gosh. Those little paws. Oh, this is so cute. Would have been fun if there was a little tail over here. So now I have the White Rabbit and Cheshire, both in a teacup. Okay, the green one. Mad Hatter probably. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, this one is funny. Focus, come on. Yeah. This one is so funny. They're all funny, but the Mad Hatter is insane. Look at it. Okay, these are awesome. Then what's the, I have no idea. Oh, of course, the March hare. Look at it, it's the March hare. Oh my god, it's so funny. And then of course the final one, the blue one, is Alice. Let me see. Oh my goodness, so cute. It's so cute. So you've got a cute Alice in a teacup. These are so funny. You got the Mad Hatter. You've got the March Hare. And then you've got, how am I going to pick these up? Cheshire and the White Rabbit. This is so funny. I'm so happy I found this store. Guys, I hope I can find out where I bought these. Anyways, it's a store where they have these gotcha machine eggs. And you can buy the whole series. It's awesome, right? This is so cute. I love stuff like this. So I do have a display that's especially for these little items. So I'm gonna put them over there. And normally I would put the White Rabbit on the shelf with white rabbits. And I have a Cheshire shelf. But these are gonna go together. Probably on my spinning teacup shelf. Because they are in teacups. I don't know. Again, I'm gonna sit down on my bench and just look around in my collection room and think, what will be a nice spot? Gorgeous, right? So I have these beautiful, beautiful, funny, weird things. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Alice is so gorgeous. And another Cheshire cat with a cute smile, grin. I mean, it's not really a smile, is it? It's a creepy grin. And here's another one with a creepy grin. And then, of course, this wonderful purse. So let me know, I always love to know, is there a favorite or do you love everything? For me, oh my gosh, yeah, everything of course, because otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. But I think this one is really special. I really like it. I don't know why, I just really like it. They're all fun. So this one has a spot already. I'm just gonna put this back and I'm gonna sit down and find a spot for these. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know I would always love a thumbs up. And I always love to read your comments. Let me know what you think about all of these items. And do you have one of these Loungefly bags that is a book? Is it practical or not? Let me know. And that's it for today. So all that's left to say is, groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye.